This year, Prince William and a global alliance launched the most prestigious Environment Prize in history, the Earthshot Prize.
Now, your eternal love for environment can bring you $1 million. At a time when elected officials appear stymied by the challenge of climate change, or even in denial about it, it is heartening to see a royal prince pitch in with a good initiative. The Earthshot Prize, announced Thursday by Prince William, second in line to the British throne, along with the venerable English broadcaster and natural historian David Attenborough, proposes to award five £1 million prizes every year for the next 10 years toward 5 environmental goals: fixing the climate, cleaning the air, protecting and restoring nature, reviving oceans, and tackling waste. Mr. Attenborough said, "Any person, group, or corporation around the world is eligible, and any suggestion, even those that may sound crackpot, is welcome, as long as it is applicable on a global scale. It could be a new technology, a new approach, a new governmental policy, or any other insights, flashes of genius and ideas. The goal is no less than to repair our planet by 2030. That might be a tad overly ambitious, but the process of the prize and what distinguishes it from the several others with the same broad goals is to generate excitement and provide what Prince William called a bit of catalyst, a bit of hope, a bit of positivity for an endeavor more often posed by doomsday scenarios." According to the BBC, Prince William has been developing the prize for some time through the charitable foundation that he and his wife, Catherine, the Duchess of Cambridge, support. The money will come from the donors around the world, including Bloomberg Philanthropies, the Jack Ma Foundation, and the Aga Khan Development Network. The prize council includes the actress Cate Blanchett and the Colombian singer Shakira. £1 million, roughly $1.3 million, is significantly more than accompanies a Nobel Prize and should inspire some serious and creative thinking about the plight of planet Earth. Unlike the Nobel Prize money, moreover, the Earthshot money is supported to be spent on the winning project.